Can you really import a machine from China and start a real business from home without a boss, without fixed hours, and without prior experience? The answer is yes, and today you are going to see how. In this video, I will show you 15 profitable machines that are easy to import and simple to operate. These machines turn basic raw materials into products people already buy every day. The best part is that several of these machines can start generating income with very small teams, or even just one person. If you want links or full details on where to get these machines, just comment "I'm ready" and I'll share the complete list with you. Let's begin. This video is just for informational and educational purposes only. We do not guarantee income or results. Success depends on individual efforts, skills, and market conditions. Number 15. Napkin Making Machine. This business works because it solves a simple problem people never stop having. Napkins are used every day in cafes, restaurants, bakeries, events, and homes. This setup runs automatically, taking large paper rolls and cutting, folding, and stacking napkins at high speed. One person can easily manage the entire operation. Importing this machine from China starts around $4,500, and once it is running, production costs are extremely low. Each napkin can cost as little as 0.2 cents to half a cent to produce. Finished packs can sell between 50 cents and $2, depending on branding and customization. You can even print logos for local businesses, which increases value instantly. With steady local clients, monthly profits can exceed $3,000. This is a quiet, clean, and predictable business, ideal for home workshops and entrepreneurs who want stable demand without complicated processes. Number 14. Pet Bottle Making Machine. Behind every juice, water, oil, or cleaning product, there is one thing in common: the bottle. This setup allows you to produce plastic bottles using PET preforms that expand inside heated molds. The machine itself is compact and easy to operate once set up. Import prices start around $3,500, making it one of the lower entry points into packaging manufacturing. Production moves fast, with hundreds of bottles per hour possible. The cost per unit usually stays between 5 cents and 10 cents, while wholesale selling prices range from 30 cents to 50 cents, depending on shape and order size. Many sellers increase margins by offering custom molds or branding services. Some even fill and sell their own products. With regular buyers, monthly profits can reach $2,000 to $4,000, especially when supplying small local brands that need flexibility instead of massive factories. Number 13. Incense Making Machine. This one connects emotion with profit. Incense is tied to relaxation, spirituality, meditation, and daily rituals across the world. The production process is simple and satisfying. You load natural powders, resins, and essential oils, select the shape, and the machine forms sticks or cones with consistent quality. Importing this equipment costs around $2,000, and raw materials are very affordable. A pack of 20 sticks can sell for $3 to $7, especially with attractive packaging and unique scents. Production volume is easy to scale, even from home. Many sellers focus on online platforms where handmade and wellness products perform extremely well. With just 500 packs sold per month, profits can exceed $1,500, and strong branding can push that much higher. This business rewards creativity, storytelling, and visual marketing, not just production speed. Before number 12, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more smart business ideas. We're aiming for 10,000 subscribers, and your support truly makes a difference. Number 12. Compressed Wood Pallet Making. This is where waste turns into serious money. This setup transforms sawdust and wood scraps into strong, export-ready pallets using heat and pressure. No nails, no screws, just compressed material and eco-friendly adhesive. Import costs start around $8,500, higher than others, but so is the return. Each pallet costs about $4 to $5 to produce and sells for $20 to $30, depending on size and buyer. Logistics companies love these pallets because they are lightweight, stackable, and export compliant. Producing just 50 units per day can generate impressive revenue, Many operators report monthly profits above $6,000 once contracts are secured. This business works best for people with access to wood waste and space, and it fits perfectly into recycling and sustainability-focused markets. Number 11. Facial mask making machine. This one taps into a market that never slows down. Skincare is not a trend, it is a habit. This setup allows you to produce single-use facial masks that come sealed, clean, and ready for retail. The process is mostly automatic, mixing the formula, shaping the mask, adding the serum, and sealing each unit. Importing the equipment starts around $5,000, and the production cost per piece usually stays between 30 cents and 50 cents. In the market, one mask can sell for $3 to $4, sometimes more if positioned as natural or premium. What really matters here is branding. Spas, beauty clinics, and online stores are always looking for private label suppliers. With steady orders, monthly profits can easily pass $4,000. This business works well for people who like clean environments, visual branding, and products that sell through social media without heavy explanations. Number 10. Sawdust briquette making. This is one of those businesses where the raw material is often free. Wood waste from carpenters and furniture shops usually gets thrown away. Here, it becomes fuel. The system compresses sawdust into dense briquettes used for heating and industrial boilers. The operation is straightforward. Feed the material in, let pressure do the work, and collect finished briquettes. Import prices start around $1,500, making it one of the lowest cost entries on the list. A single ton can sell between $180 and $300, depending on demand in your area. Many operators focus on bulk buyers, like restaurants, warehouses, and rural households. With consistent supply, monthly profits often reach $1,000 to $2,000. This business feels practical and grounded. No fancy packaging, no trends, just steady demand and repeat buyers who care about price and reliability. Number 9. 3D wall panel making. This one is all about visual impact. These panels instantly change how a room feels, and that is why designers love them. The process involves pouring material into molds, setting the texture, and letting panels cure before finishing. Importing the equipment starts near $3,500, and materials can include recycled PVC, plant fiber, or plaster. Each panel can cost as little as 30 cents to 50 cents to make, while selling prices are much higher when sold in sets or through decorators. Production volume adds up fast. Even moderate output can translate into strong numbers. Many sellers report monthly sales exceeding $5,000 when working with contractors or renovation projects. This business rewards presentation and networking. When clients see the panels installed, selling becomes effortless because the product explains itself. If any of these ideas are making you think differently about starting from home, leave a comment with the machine number that caught your attention. It helps me know what to break down deeper in future videos. Number 8. Strap and belt weaving. This one is creative, visual, and very easy to market online. The setup turns simple threads into woven straps and belts with professional patterns. You load the thread spools, select the design, and the weaving happens automatically. Import cost starts around $3,000, and materials like nylon or cotton are inexpensive. A single finished strap can cost 80 cents to $1 and 20 cents to make, yet it can sell for $6 to $15, depending on design and branding. What makes this business powerful is customization. Local brands, online shops, and handmade marketplaces love unique patterns. Short videos of the weaving process perform extremely well on social media. With consistent orders, profits can exceed $3,000 per month, even at small scale. This business rewards creativity more than speed and works great for people who enjoy showing how products are made. Number 7. Essential oil distillation machine. This business feels calm, but the numbers are anything but slow. The process uses steam to extract oils from plants like lavender, eucalyptus, mint, or citrus peels. The equipment is compact and clean, and import prices start around $2,000. Each batch produces small bottles with high value. A 10 milliliter bottle can sell between $8 and $25, depending on purity and presentation. Raw materials can often be sourced locally, which boosts margins. Many sellers focus on wellness stores, online shops, and social platforms where natural products perform well. Running just a few batches per day can push monthly profits past $4,000. This business is ideal for people who care about natural products, storytelling, and branding. Customers are not just buying oil, they are buying a feeling, and that makes selling much easier. Stay tuned because the machine looks calm on the surface, but the profit numbers tell a very different story. If you care about branding and repeat buyers, you will want to see this. Number 6. Paper plate making. This is one of the most straightforward businesses on the list. Disposable paper plates are used everywhere: events, food stalls, parties, and restaurants. The machine presses paper into plates automatically using heat and molds. Importing the setup costs around $5,000, and operation is simple enough for beginners. Production runs fast, with hundreds of units per hour possible. Each plate can cost under 3 cents to produce. Packs of 50 plates usually sell for $2 to $5, especially when positioned as eco-friendly. Even modest output can lead to strong returns. Many operators report monthly profits above $2,000 working from home. This business is stable and predictable, not trendy, but reliable. Perfect for people who want consistent demand and easy repeat sales without complex marketing. Number 5. Adhesive trap making. This idea works because it solves a problem people do not like to talk about, but always need to fix. Homes, restaurants, warehouses, and hotels all deal with pests. This setup automates the process of applying strong adhesive onto boards, cutting them, and shaping ready-to-sell traps. Importing the equipment starts around $4,500, and once it is running, production is fast and consistent. Each unit can cost between 15 cents and 30 cents to produce. On the market, a single trap often sells for $2.50, and packaged kits sell even better. Branding matters less here than reliability and price, which makes selling easier. Online marketplaces and local distributors are strong channels. With steady demand, monthly profits can exceed $3,000. This business is practical, scalable, and not affected by trends or seasons. Number 4. Pasta making machine. This one feels familiar, but it performs like a real business. Fresh pasta sells because people associate it with quality and care. The system mixes, kneads, and shapes dough automatically into different pasta styles. Import cost is around $2,500, making it accessible for food entrepreneurs. Ingredients are simple and affordable: flour, water, eggs, or specialty blends. A 250-gram pack can sell for $2 to $5, depending on whether it is gourmet, vegan, or gluten-free. Production volume adds up quickly, especially with local restaurants or weekly markets. Many sellers move over 150 packs a day. With the right buyers, daily revenue can reach $300 to $600, leading to strong monthly returns. This business rewards consistency, freshness, and local relationships more than heavy advertising. Number 3. Hanger making machine. This business surprises people, and that works in your favor. Clothing stores, laundries, and home organizers constantly need hangers. The setup forms hangers from plastic wire or molded materials at high speed. Import prices start around $2,500, and production capacity can exceed 1,000 units per day. Material costs stay low, usually 10 cents to 25 cents per unit. Packs of decorative or specialty hangers sell for $5 to $10, especially when sold to boutiques or online shoppers. Custom finishes and bulk orders increase margins quickly. Shipping is easy because the product is lightweight. With volume sales, monthly profits can reach $2,000 to $4,000. This is a quiet, efficient business that scales through numbers, not complexity. Number 2. Green fence and artificial wall panel. This one sells on appearance alone. These green panels instantly change how a space feels, whether it is a balcony, a cafe wall, an event backdrop, or a storefront. The system weaves artificial leaves onto mesh panels automatically, creating uniform and realistic results. Importing the setup usually costs around $7,000, depending on size and output. Once running, production is steady and easy to manage. A single 1 square meter panel can sell for $10 to $30, while production costs stay surprisingly low. Demand comes from decorators, event planners, real estate staging, and privacy solutions for homes. This product performs especially well on social media because the before and after visuals sell the idea instantly. With just 100 panels sold monthly, profits can exceed $2,000, and bulk orders can push that much higher. This business thrives on presentation and trend awareness. Number 1. CNC Stone Carving Machine. This is the most technical option on the list, but also one of the most powerful. The system uses digital designs to carve stone, marble, or granite with extreme precision. Import prices start around $2,600, which surprises most people considering what it can produce. You upload a design, set the material, and the machine does the carving automatically. The real value is customization. Names, logos, dates, and patterns turn simple stone into premium products. Individual pieces can sell for $30 to over $200, depending on detail and size. Clients come from interior design, memorial services, landscaping, and custom decor. You do not need carving skills, just basic software knowledge. With steady custom orders, monthly profits can reach $4,000 or more. This business feels creative, durable, and professional, perfect for long-term positioning. At the start of this video, the big question was simple: can you actually build a real income from home by importing the right machine? After seeing all 15, the answer should be much clearer. You do not need a massive factory, a large team, or years of experience. What you really need is a clear product, steady demand, and a machine that does one job well. Some of these ideas focus on speed and volume, others on customization and branding, and a few turn waste into real value. The important part is choosing something that fits your space, your budget, and how you want to work day to day. Every business you saw here already exists in the real world. The difference is whether you decide to take action or keep watching from the outside. If you want more videos like this that focus on real machines, real numbers, and realistic setups, you can subscribe so you do not miss the next video. Share with someone who may need it.